Welcome back to our weekly podcast. And sometimes I'll have more than one episode because there's so much going on that I'm trying to capture. So, on the Speak to Choose platform, I normally talk about a lot of different pop culture and trending topics. And unfortunately, here on Martin Luther's Day, more is being revealed about how people in society feel about other people that they deem um, to be not important. Martin was all about trying to bridge the gap between races and between different mindsets. And I feel like the year of 2024 is the year of revealing the secrets that remain. And in Mississippi, a tragic situation has unfolded where 215 bodies were found behind the jail in what they consider a pauper's uh, um, grave site. You know what a pauper's cemetery is. Um, and if you don't, it's basically a cemetery that they take the bodies and throw it there. They don't put a name or anything on it. They just throw the bodies in a grave, put down them in the ground. And in this specific situation, 215 bodies of individuals whose families were not notified were laid there. By whom? It looks like the graves are marked with metal rods and numbers. The gravesite was supposed to be intended for people, individuals with no known family, but the families in this case were not. They were not notified. Okay, so civil rights attorney Ben Crump is representing the families of Mario Moore, Dexter Wade, and Jonathan Hankins, who are all buried in a cemetery without the knowledge of their families. Quote, it's like they threw him out like trash, just like they did with the others. The deceased were put in body bags and placed into shallow graves. Um, I don't know, but this is like really, really inhumane. Um, it's really sad to hear that some of the relatives weren't even told, and notification could have been given even a year prior, but no, there is nothing there. There's no notification, and you know, Crump is involved, so I already know this is going to be a a good case to look at. But I'm feeling like our brother Martin is with us, and our ancestors who fought for rights for everyone to have equal justice under the law and equal treatment. And this is an example of how terrible some people have used their power of their privileges. Like, if the police did that to those individuals, what else is going on out here? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.